I'm gonna try to make you taller. Wow. Okay. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Sterling. I'm here with Chanel. She is a tennis player, pro tennis player, and she's gonna be kicking my ass in a moment. But first, we're gonna get her adjusted, and then she's gonna teach me, see how we do. But first things first, let's actually start with your neck. Okay. Good. You can hold it together.
Yeah.
We're holding it together. That's like a brand new neck right there. Yeah, this leg's a little shorter, actually. I'm gonna try to make you taller. Wow, nice. See what you feel, see what you notice.
I just feel like so much better overall. Now it's my turn to kill you on court.
I love it. Let's do it.